Losi sprint cars. Oh, I walked in just as he spun.
Said, you know you're having fun when you're outside and you can hear them.
Yeah.
I think I'll race the crap to
Well, this is Monty driving. Monty Wolf. Nice. There he is, getting it. Feather around. Well, I shouldn't say anything. I've never tried oval. I don't know what you do for throttle inputs.
Then you gotta do a rolling. How many minutes do you go on that?
Oh, I like it better from the end. Two racers racing oval. These are the Losi sprint cars. These are basically box stock. The green one might have a higher painting on it, 24 tooth. I guess you're allowed to gear up 2 teeth and then change the oils. Whoa, nice. Hey, you kept the momentum up. That after is really thick. It'll stop you dead and high centering. Whoa. Oh, nice. Whoa!